Let's open and see what you got.
Alright. So I didn't open them yet.
Uh-oh. I'll grab it. It's the basketball.
Oh! Donovan Mitchell.
What?
Yo.
What team does he play for?
The Cavs.
Wow. So who do you got there?
That's Donovan Mitchell, Zion Williamson, and Kawhi Leonard.
Which one's your favorite?
I like all of them, but Kawhi, he's out.
He's out?
Yes.
Why?
Go. I got too many repeats.
Oh, okay.
Kawhi
Who's
Leonard.
the best player?
Donovan Mitchell.
Why do you think that?
Because he's the highest overall. So, Zion Williamson is an 89, and Kawhi's a 91, and Donovan Mitchell's a 95.
What does that mean?
That means, how the shooting is.
Oh, like the accuracy of their shots or something?
Yeah.
How do you know those numbers? Did you just make that up?
No,
Oh.
that's the overall.
How do you know that though?
Because I played the game. Alright, so Damian Lillard, he's a 91 overall.
He is?
Yeah.
Who's your favorite player in the league?
My favorite player in the league?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you already know that one.
No, I don't. Who is
Zach
he?
Levine.
Zach Levine. What's his overall?
That's an 89.
It's an 89?
Yay.
But that's kind of low, right?
Well, but it's high.
It is high. But somebody has a higher one. Why is he your favorite player?
He was on the Chicago Bulls, that's why.
Because you're a Chicago Bulls fan?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I like all the Chicago Bulls.
What'd you say?
I like all of them.
You like all of them? They're all really good, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So all of them, so Zion Williamson is a good dunker, but I'd say Mitchell's a better one.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, because in the game, he dunks on people. But
Oh, really?
yes,
Oh.
he dunks on people.
What do you want to say to your grandma for surprising you with these?
Thank you, Patty.
Is that sweet of her? Yeah. It's a nice
It's her
surprise.
birthday today.
Yeah, she knew that. All right.
She has a long beard.